This is a quick guide to installing the new color printer in BS0038. First, you'll need to request access. You can do this by emailing tts-sciencehelp@duke.edu, submitting a ticket via the web form, or letting us know in the help desk that you need access. First thing you will need to do is add the printer. To add the printer, there are different methods depending on whether you have a Duke-owned Mac or a Duke-owned Windows PC. First, let's look at Mac instructions. What you'll want to do is launch the self-service app. This is an app that lets you install any Duke-approved, Duke-added software. Then once the app loads, you will scroll down in the left-hand menu and choose Printers. There you will hit install under the BS0038 color printer. Once you do, it will install this printer and you'll be able to use it. Next, let's look at how to install this on a Windows machine. To install it on a Windows machine, once again a managed Duke machine, you will go to the search bar and you will launch Software Center. Once in Software Center, you will see a list of biology apps. You will see that BS0038 printer listed under the biology apps. You will click on the Trinity-Bio BS0038 brother printer and then hit install. It will take a few minutes to download and install, but once it's done, you will be able to use that printer on a Duke managed Windows machine. Thank you and have a great day.